Today I'm going to show you how to make a Cozmo Robot Blocks Cake. Hi, I'm Amanda vanderGulik from CleverDoughCakes.com, and today I'm going to show you how I made this cute Cozmo Robot Blocks Cake for my son's birthday. If you love decorating cakes, and then make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss anything. My son Quinn really wanted to get a Cozmo, a really cute little robot that can do some pretty amazing tricks and can learn new things over time too, like how to identify your face and know who you are and call you by name.
Hello! My name's James.
And other really cool things like knowing how not to fall off a table. It's super cute, and it's a robot that my son really wanted to have of his very own so very badly. He saved up his own money, and to celebrate his awesome achievement, I decided to make a cake version of the blocks that his Cozmo robot uses to play games with him. Cozmo comes with 3 interactive blocks, so that is exactly what I made. My daughter Xanthi helped me to make this cake for her brothers. First, she made our yummy family sponge cake. It's honestly so easy to make, and it's so yummy to please even the toughest cake critic. You can get the recipe for that on my How to Bake a Cake video. I'll put a link for you in the description below so that you can see that. And also for the perfect mocha icing that we used for this to cover this cake as well, I'll put that in the video description below for you too. After the cake was baked, I cut it into blocks and then cut out the pieces where the lights in the blocks were going to be, which I then later filled in with see-through candies. I then covered the sides with white marshmallow fondant that I made from scratch. I'll add a link to that video in the description below for you as well. It's way more cost effective than buying store-bought fondant, and it tastes so much better too. After covering the cakes in fondant and smoothing in all the divots where the lights were going to go, I used black licorice strips for the black outlines. You see, my son loves black licorice, so I know that he'd like that better than if I just painted on the black lines with food coloring. However, the licorice did not want to stay bent very well, so I found that we had to cut the corners and then just kind of butt them together, and that worked much better. Each of the 3 blocks have their own unique design logo to identify them. I decided, after realizing that the licorice may have been okay to use for straight lines, that it was not going to be very easy to use for the intricate design work that I needed. So instead, I decided to paint those on by hand. After the blocks were finished, I piled them up like Cozmo does when he plays the stacking game with you. My son was so excited to see his cake once it was done, and he couldn't wait for his birthday party to come so he could show it off to his friends, and of course show off how much fun his Cozmo robot was too. Now I put a link to where you can find out more about the Cozmo robot if you're interested in the description below. And well, okay, honestly, it is like the cutest robot I have ever seen. He steals my heart every time he looks at me, and then his eyes go really wide with excitement as he recognizes me and he says, "Mommy," in that adorable robot voice. I highly recommend him. Remember to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll know as soon as my next fun cake decorating ideas video is ready for you. Leave a comment below to let me know and to let my kiddos know how you liked our cake, and also if you have another cake idea that you would like us to make for you. And please like and share this cake video with your friends too. Thank you so much. Visit CleverDoughCakes.com for more fun cake decorating ideas and to learn how you can make money decorating your own cakes too.